grilling pork for the first time, so I seasoned it with a cube of Maggi and salt, then curry thyme, little bit of oil, then placed it inside the oven. Into an empty pot, pour the vegetable oil, add some onions, your tomatoes, and stir. Next, add the Indomie spices and also curry, thyme, rosemary if you like, and stir as well. Next, add your veggies, the carrot and green beans. If you have green pepper, you can also add it now, and allow it to steam for some time. What the hell? I did it. I did it. For the first time, I'll do it. I'm going to grill this part. Or should I let it be like this since it's done? Do I need to grill again? I don't need to grill now. Let me just do this a little bit, maybe for 5 minutes. So now once the veggies have steamed for a bit, add water, then allow it to boil before placing your noodles inside. Okay, so the down oven is for baking while the upper part is for grilling, so I'm going to use the upper part right now. So now the water is boiling. I'm going to put the seasonings inside. So I'm done adding the seasonings, although I left 2 aside that I'm going to add at the end. So now let's introduce our noodles to the pot. So I'm going to allow it to cook. Without covering. Remember, I cooked this for 30 minutes using the oven, the down oven, while I used the upper part, the grill part, for 5 minutes. And now the 5 minutes is over. Wow. And it came out very, very nice, delicious. So, oh my gosh, I'm going to do this again. So far what I noticed was that the bigger parts were not really done inside, while the smaller portions were really done. Our noodle is done. I'm going to put the 2 sachets. I'm going to add the 2 remaining ones now. So after adding the last seasoning, I now mixed it together, and yeah, the noodles is ready, the food is ready, and the pork is ready as well. The reason why I add the Indomie spice at the end of cooking is so that it will still retain the Indomie taste at the end of adding all those veggies. So guys, try it, you will love it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Thank you.